Hello, welcome to the next session. By now, I hope you understood how the ZAP level works and how powerful it is. The approach. So we use EMAs, pivots, chart patterns, candlesticks, and trend lines. Okay, if you don't use trend lines, it's fine. So in this video, we'll go to the next level. So this is really important. Pro tip, definitely you need to focus on. Okay. So this is entire time frame. I'll explain one chart, one particular chart in this session, in this video, especially in intraday time frame. Okay, so this is one. Remember the intraday time frames. What is that? 1 hour, 15, and 3 minutes. So if price is above the EMAs, this is a bullish market. Price should be above EMAs in 1 hour. This shows bullish market. And if price is above, in 15 minutes time frame, if price is above the EMAs, then that is a bullish market. So you need bullish markets in both 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay. If price is above the EMAs in 3 minutes time frame as well, this means price should be above EMAs in 1 hour. Price should be above EMAs in 15 minutes time frame. Price should be above EMAs in 3 minutes time frame. Bullish market. Boom, buy signal generated. I'm saying once again, price should be above EMS, bullish market in 1 hour. If in 15 minutes, if price is above EMS, bullish market. In 3 minutes, if price is above the EMS, then this is a bullish market. So if 3 confirmations you got, then this is a buy signal. Vice versa for this bearish. If price is below the EMS, bearish market in 1 hour. If price is below the EMS, bearish market in 15 minutes. If price is below the EMS in bearish market, this is bearish market in 3 minutes. If all 3 time frames are showing bearish market, then this is a sell signal. Okay, I hope you understood this thing. Go for once again. So this bullish, like when it comes to bullish market, you only look for bullish chart patterns, which means bull flags are like ascending triangles and all those bullish chart patterns. Okay, you don't look for bullish candlestick bullish chart patterns. You don't look for bullish candlestick patterns, which means bullish engulfing, bullish pin bar, and bullish harami, like that. And you look for trend lines like this. Price should be above the trend lines. You look for, and you only look for pivots, which are you look for the price which are above the pivot. That is your support tab. Vice versa for the bearish market. You look for bearish chart patterns, bear flags, and bearish triangles, and you look for bearish candlestick patterns, which is bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar, like that. You look for trend lines below the, price should be below the trend line, and price should be below the resistance, which is below the pivot. So this is really important tip which you need to identify, and I hope I made this clear for you. If not, just go to through this video once again. So this is an intraday setup. I'll explain the one intraday setup. There's one chart, especially intraday. Of course, like you can go for swing as well. This applies in week, monthly as well. Okay, weekly and as well. So we can go for swing and positional as well. So this is intraday setup. This is like SBI chart, like yeah. So this is 1 hour chart, main time frame. We use 1 hour, 15 and 3 minutes, right? So this is intraday time frame. So price is above the EMAs. Price is above the EMAs, and we only look for buying opportunities. Okay, bullish market. Trend line is also supporting bullish chart pattern. Okay, price is above the EMA pivot here. This is bullish chart pattern. So all confirmations we got. Now what we do is we go for 15 minutes time frame, and we'll identify whether price is above the EMAs in 15 minutes time frame. Now this is 15 minutes time frame, and this is a chart pattern which we drew in 1 hour time frame. Okay, and at the opening itself, we in 15 minutes time frame, price opened above the EMAs. Now this is a sure short buying opportunities. Bullish chart pattern, first confirmation above the pivot, second confirmation, price is above the EMS, bullish market. Very important confirmation. trend line is also supporting. Now what you do, you'll buy, that's it. Till where? Till 1:3 or next resistance like this. Okay, so this is 50 minutes time frame. No, this is not your entry time frame. Okay, bullish confirmation you got. Okay, now what you do is go for 3 minutes time frame. You can, now this is where you will enter in the market. Okay, now here this is where the chart pattern was there in 15 minutes and 1 hour. Okay, now this is 3 minutes time frame. This price opened here and price slowly it went up there, above there, and now you're looking for smaller chart patterns. Okay, smaller bullish chart patterns, smaller candlestick patterns, and small trend lines. Okay, price is above the EMS, no need to worry, we only look for buying opportunities. So this is a small chart pattern, morning star at the pivot, buy. And this is another chart pattern. Okay, bullish candle which is engulfed, bullish engulfing, buy. Okay, enter at the breakout, target this one. Another chart pattern in 3 minutes time frame, buy, target. Okay, price is above the EMS, bullish, candlestick patterns are supporting. This means we only find we only need bullish candlestick patterns, bullish chart patterns, trend lines, above pivots. So everything is supporting. Now what we do, we will only buy. So this is the clear setup. So 1 hour above the pivot, 50 minutes above the pivot, 3 minutes we will enter in the market. That's a simple intraday setup. So now how, like for interest, like we will use only 3 minutes time frame. So you'll enter here with the stop loss, or maybe there might be a pivot here. You can enter the stop loss at below the pivot. So entry at the here at the breakout, and stop loss is above the chart pattern or pivot. Above the pivot, you can keep your stop loss. And at this selling opportunity, let's say this is 3 minutes time frame, right? Let's say if we get bearish engulfing in 50 minutes time frame, high probability you can look for sells. Let's say we get bullish engulfing at this pivot in 15 minutes time frame, and this is 3 minutes time frame showing entry, then high probability we can enter. Okay, focus on bearish, focus on engulfing patterns, bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, and pin bars. That's what I've said, right? Focus on these two things. You don't need anything. Okay, even I focus only on these things. So of course, like these setups work in swing and position as well. Everything is same setup, but different time frames and approaches same. So don't forget this thing, really important. Multi-time frame analysis is important. That's why I've used 1 hour, 50 minutes, and 3 minutes time frame. And you should add your analysis, like you should add the multi-time frames to your analysis to increase the performance, edge, and of course your approach towards the market, and at the same time to be in the right direction. So I hope you got some value from this particular session, and yeah, this is Zap, and let's meet in another session.